Tree removal in Kalamazoo, Michigan. You've been planning all week. The grill is hot, the picnic table is set, and the kids are running in the yard. Then your eyes land on that tree in the corner. Dead branches hang over the play area, swaying in the breeze. One strong gust, and a branch could come crashing down. A fun family day could turn into a dangerous emergency. Nobody wants their weekend ruined by a tree they already knew was a problem. That's where Perkins Lawn Care comes in. We take down risky trees before they hurt someone or spoil your plans. We've helped families all across Kalamazoo turn their yards back into safe gathering places. Here's what we do for your home. Remove dead and storm-damaged trees safely. Cut back branches hanging over roofs, patios, and play areas. Grind stumps so you can use every part of your yard. Clear trees from fences, sheds, and driveways. Provide honest, local service with care for your property. Your yard should be a safe place for family and friends, not a space you worry about every time the wind picks up. Don't wait until a branch falls where it shouldn't. Call Perkins Lawn Care today at 269-716-3332 or visit perkinslawnandtree.com to schedule your tree removal. Let's keep your next cookout safe and stress-free.